Hi.
I'll just do a wild guess. Wild guess.
Gone in just like
खाते पीते खाते सोते सही जा रहा है उसका तो मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah, I guess so. I think so, at least.
How illogical.
Everything is weird about online classes actually.
There'll be, I don't know, something like
I don't know.
मिरर वर्ल्ड में सबसे पहले तो लेफ्ट का राइट हो जाएगा, राइट का लेफ्ट हो जाएगा.
ओटू मुता मककुका.
What is this?
Yeah, this is the unique thing about my college. It's IISER.
This is Izer. हम जहाँ से खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होते हैं. I didn't visit my campus yet, so can't say anything is special about it. Yes, one thing I can say you, this is Izer. हम जहाँ से खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होते हैं.
And actually ISER is the richest place of the diversity because the students coming from the various background, various culture, it is like a mini India. ISER Tirupati or any ISER is like a mini India where the student comes from the various background, various culture, have a same dream, all of them have a same aim to make the India better than the today. According to me, ISER is like that great catalyzer which accelerate the nutritious, innovative mind of youth of India, and it exponentially increases the rate of progress of our nation. So I am very thankful to God as they give me chance to participate in such a great or to become a part of that such a great institute. I'll try to give my best and I'll try to become an excellent.
ISER is unique, it's in all sense. Not many institutes in India provide the environment to nurture creativity and curiosity in students in science.
No, right?
I got admission in it, so you cannot compare ISER with any other institute in India.
Let's say I have 3 wishes and I can wish for 3 things to never have happened. I would definitely choose the corona pandemic. Most of you would say the same thing if you were asked this question.
You take that back.
We are actually sitting at home attending online classes, which are kind of boring compared to normal campus life. Instead of, we should have been at Tirupati having a blast and the time of our lives. Unfortunately, that's not the situation right now.
If COVID would have been my best friend, whom would I give it first? So I would have given it to my aunties because they snitch on me a lot and they act like CCTVs and I want them gone in just like.
Maybe another thing I would wish for is for wars to never have occurred. Everyone could just be peaceful and mind their own business, and it wouldn't have caused a lot of tension around the whole world, I guess. Yeah.
Why is it called building when it is already built? How illogical. One reason could be because it is growing because of mud and dirt adding to it, so it's still getting built. Or it may be like when this word was formulated, there were no fully constructed ones, so they gave the name building. Now we have fully constructed ones, so we can use the word built, or to prevent confusions we can use the word construction, that is better. So the word building seems very illogical, so we can use the word construction.
If online classes are some sort of food, it would be a sour and bitter taste to me. The offline interactions and all other things are lost in the online classes. The class gossips and the class comedies and the class jokes are lost in the online classes.
So मिरर वर्ल्ड में सबसे पहले तो लेफ्ट का राइट हो जाएगा, राइट का लेफ्ट हो जाएगा, मेरा घर लेफ्ट से राइट में हो जाएगा. और मैंने डोरेमोन में देखा था कि नोबिता लड़की बन जाता है और शिजुका लड़का, और जियान का आवाज़ बेसुरा से एकदम सुरीला हो जाता है. सो आई शुड एक्सपेक्ट द सेम थिंग इन द मिरर वर्ल्ड इफ आई विल गो.
what would you do if you wake up again and again on the same day? You're sleeping and waking up, but date isn't changing.
you're waking up on the same day every day. I really don't like getting into the past, but I'm a person who makes silly mistakes every day. Like I will always have this feeling that, oh my god, I shouldn't have did like that, or I shouldn't have told like that. So if I get a chance to recreate that day, I will try. Definitely try to rectify my problems. That's it.
If hands were non-bendable, we couldn't take. We must help. We must need a help of others to do each and every silly thing. Each and every silly thing. The main and the silly thing is the intake of food. We must need others' help to take our food and all other things. And if we have some itching problem, we need to ask others to cure that problem and all.
But autocorrect has definitely made situations awkward and ruined them. It is very annoying and it's basically a devil because it keeps poking you and you want to say something and goes and autocorrects it. Like, what's the point of us trying to say that if it's just gonna autocorrect it? It's so I can't say it's useless because it's useful in some ways, like when you're writing essays, but definitely during texting it's just a waste of our time and waste of its energy. So basically, in conclusion, autocorrect is a devil.
The sleep you get while the lectures are going on is so peaceful. Moreover, the best thing is you get the video lectures offline later on. So, yep.
And I just don't want to continue these online things anymore, and so there is nothing to be missed with it.
But why? The coefficient of linear expansion is the position of the hemoglobin in the atmosphere. But why? But why?
बाकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अपनी तो मस्त चल रही है, बिल्कुल खाते पीते खाते सोते सही जा रहा है, उसका तो मजा आ रहा है.
Online exams, I will really miss it.
We actually don't know that it is to be recorded. The chats are also recorded. Then, so someone is texting happy birthday messages that are also recorded. That are also being CCTVized.
I remember a person. He turned on his camera and he slept before his system. Hopefully, sir didn't recognize him.
Somebody's mic just remained open, then he started his vocal singing. तो मुझे भी लगा मैं भी उसके साथ गा लूँ, थोड़ा सा गुनगुना लूँ. आज क्या करेंगे?
Online classes are really dreadful. You can't see your friends. You're always in front of the laptop.
According to me, all the ICER faculties are a great person. Mainly in ICER Tirupati, all the faculties are so amazing. All are like a source of energy, source of the knowledge for me, because they are like a center of, they are like a circle, means they are like a source of knowledge whose center is everywhere, but circumference is nowhere. They have no any boundary of knowledge. So I'm very happy because I'm a part of such that great institute.
I think this is the question for which everybody is waiting to answer. Faculties, whoever it be, our professors or our TAs, everybody is amazing. They are excellent. They listen our doubt very carefully and explain it well enough so that we can grow our interest for the subject. And now coming to the point of our seniors, they just have surpassed all my expectation. Before joining any institute, everybody has listened some good and bad myths about the seniors, but everything is fair enough here. Our seniors are very helpful, frank, interactive, and cool too.
The faculties in ICER Tirupati are excellent. They are beyond my imagination. Whatever I have learned in 11th and 12th, they taught us in a new dimension.
You know, the best thing that I have found about my institute so far are the seniors. The seniors here are so good, so helpful, and so understanding. You know, when we came here, we were like very kind of upset that we won't be having our online freshers the way we would have had if we were in campus. But the seniors planned our online freshers and it was so good. Like, seriously, they put so much effort. It was all so nicely planned. The activities were so nice. It really felt wonderful.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक।
विज्ञान, शिक्षा और अनुसंधान के भारतीय संस्थान
भारतीय विज्ञान गवेषण केंद्रम. Yeah, I guess so.
We can say like அறிவியல் கல்வி மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி நிறுவனம், something like that.
भारतीय विज्ञान शिक्षा खोज केंद्र तिरुपति.
My native language is English.
ये बलयक्का बलयक्का सेलाथुका मधुरिका मद्रासुका तिरुचुका तिरुचुका ए बलेक्का बलेक्का ओटू मुता मकक्कुका अनन्वता तमिल नडम अमेरिका. So I really don't know which language is this, but yeah, in the last line it is like Tamil written, so maybe it's Tamil.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज.
अपंगले माडू मुचके जुटमाई अमाई जुटद मरमोनिकाई.
विवाते पोई वेरी वेरी पोई चोदेरी पोई चोदारी पोई वेगम वेगम तोने विलंबी कोथी कोथी पाटी कारी कारी पाटी कोठी पाटी आदि पाटी चटी पाटी वाटाई पोयो. तमिल.
स्पाइडरमैन स्पाइडरमैन तूने चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन ओ ओ.
तानहाई तब तड़पती है या तुम्हारी हाथी है. ठंडी ठंडी पुरावी छेद के मुझको जाती है. तेरी तारीफ लिख जो साके हो नहीं बना कोई ऐसा पेन. I think it's from Hindi.
The next song is Dodavarella Generella Chikkavareಲ್ಲ Cornerella Gurugallu Helida Matudu Endu Ninjivalla Gilia Endu Nijivalla Gilia Endu Nijivalla. Oh, now
this is Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam, Kannada. So which of them is this?
So I'll just give a random guess. I guess this is Malayalam, but I'm really not sure.
Like Atin, Putti, Patu Pitti, Sopu Pitti, Thepu Kitti, Molly Kuttik, Adu, Wangan, Koti Va, Choru, Kai, Piti Kai, Petiye, Nota, Mittat, Kallana Noru, Vasu Kutti. I literally don't have any idea which language this is. I'll just do a wild guess. So my first wild guess is Malayalam. Sir Thirboki Jeevana Nama Dalla Khali Puttu Bore Agide Barige Parari Aguava Pora Lala Dari Berenu Kanada Gide College Ina Last You Bench You Bidige Bidare Nanage Time Eth Kanaro Bido Nam Genu Illa Swami Avara Kirthing in it, don't forgive me for my accent and all, please. So I can see that Kannada is coming here, so my third guess would be Kannada, but I literally don't.
Samathana Vida Dhandnam Nalum Kothu Pogum
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा
Poru Dhagaru Dhattam Se Dhagaru Dhattam Se Gujarati? I don't know.
Tunak tunak tun tunak tunak tun tunak tunak tun. What is this? Okay, I don't think this song has got any meaning, but just those beats, and it should be in Punjabi, I guess.
राजा 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 करे जमे समाजा उठालो तनी कोरा भेटाई खूबे मजा
ए राजा राजा करे जा मैं समझा उतला तनी कोरा बिताई खूबे मजा. Okay.
Nice.
I think it should be Bengali.
मेरे रिलेटिव्स भी कहते हैं कि ग्रेजुएशन ही करना था तो BHU, MU या DU से क्यों नहीं किया, आइजर से ही क्यों किया. तो मैं कैसे समझाऊं सबको कि आइजर हमें रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड स्टडीज कराता है और जो जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है उसी दिशा में जाना चाहिए, और ईजर हमें मौके देता है.
So after 12th, most of us either go for engineering or medicine, and I was also confused about engineering, and at last landed up in ISA.
खत्म.
Yeah.